What's up to from Creolio? So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my curls, okay? So yeah, let's do it. So I've had different requests on Instagram of how to do this hairstyle, and I don't know, it just, filming hair is a bit awkward sometimes. So I've tried a couple of times to film the hair, but it just didn't really come out right, so I just never post them, okay? So this time I think I found a format of how to do the hair videos, so here it is. So I use this Renmen biotin shampoo and conditioner for my hair. I don't really use anything else in the shower. Those are the only two products. And after I wash my hair, this is my texture. So it's a bit curly, but a bit crazy. And those are the products that I use to mix together to put in my hair. So I use a bigger jar and I mix all these products together in there. This is a really important step. You have to part your hair because you do need it to be manageable. So I use these two products right here, the one I just mixed and this curling gel souffle. And I take these products and I massage it in my hair. You have to detangle the hair. And then you just take your finger and you just start twisting. And that's why they're called finger curls. I mean, I call them finger curls. So this is all done. It took me about 2 hours to get here, and the top part started getting dry, so you need to have a spray bottle and you just keep massaging more product, and then remember to detangle, and then you just take your finger. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit more up close, and you just start twisting. It's very easy. You just start twisting, and the longer the hair is, a bit more difficult that it is, but you get the gist. This is it done. It's all done here. And then I use this Layla Ali air dryer, and it is a portable hair dryer, and that's what I like about it. It's small, but it works. This is the first day. It's the day after I wash my hair. This is the third day. So basically, guys, this is really the step I take to actually get the curls. This is a 7 days old hair after I've done all that, okay? So I have to be patient with my hair. Also, guys, remember, we all have different textures. So if you try this style and it doesn't work for you, that doesn't mean you should be hating on your hair, So it's natural hair. It's gonna do whatever it wants. So just keep watching YouTube videos, keep watching other natural hairstyle, and find what works for you, because we all have a style where we have to stick to as natural hair people. And if this worked for you, great. If it doesn't work, just keep trying new style until you find that style that worked for you. Okay, so we'll talk soon, guys. Mwah.